BMW is introducing the 2025 X3 in two trims, featuring new hybrid powertrains, the brand's latest infotainment setup, and a fresh exterior design. The new X3 goes on sale in the United States later this year. It will be available in the entry-level X3 xDrive or top-specification X3 M50 xDrive trims. Neither car includes the I designation in its name, as BMW now reserves the letter for its all-electric models. The X3 xDrive uses the automaker's turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, making 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. That is more than the outgoing model with the non-hybrid engine. However, it hits 60 miles per hour in the same 6 seconds and reaches a 130 miles per hour top speed. The X3 M50 xDrive packs the electrified 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine. It produces 393 horsepower and 428 pound-feet of torque, propelling the crossover to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds, equal to the outgoing X3 M40i. It is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour with the optional performance tires, or 130 miles per hour with the base all seasons. All-wheel drive is standard on both trims, and BMW's 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission is the only available gearbox. The updated powertrains hide underneath an all-new exterior design that is bigger than its predecessor, while featuring the same 112.8-inch wheelbase. The new X3 is 1.3 inches longer and 1.1 inches wider, while being 1 inch lower in height, measuring 187.2 inches long, 75.6 inches wide, and 65.4 inches tall. The X3's new design includes larger kidney grills with vertical and diagonal bars on the X330 trim. L-shaped indicators in the new headlights serve as the vehicle's daytime running lights, side markers, and turn signals, while full LED headlights are available. At the back, BMW tucks the tailpipes into the rear apron on the entry-level model. 19-inch alloy rims are standard on the X330, with 20 and 21-inch options available. The X3 M50 has 20-inch alloy wheels, M-specific kidney grills with horizontal bars, M-sport brakes, and quad tailpipes. The brand's illuminated grille is also standard on the trim, while performance goodies include the adaptive M-Sport suspension, variable sport steering, and the M-Sport rear differential. Inside, the X3 gets the BMW curved display and BMW's iDrive 9 infotainment system, which the automaker first launched on the 2024 BMW X1. There are a bunch of new features like Quick Select, which allows convenient access to a driver's most used functions without having to dig through submenus. Cargo space measures 31.5 cubic feet, which grows to 67.1 with the rear seats folded down. The X3 can also tow up to 4,850 pounds with the optional trailer hitch. Newly designed adjustable heated sports seats and a flat-bottom steering wheel are also standard in the new crossover. The seats are available in 3 colors, while an M Veganza Alcantara combination is optional. BMW is also making its woven fabric instrument panel available on the X3 for the first time in 2025. BMW will offer 10 exterior colors for the M50 xDrive, 1 solid color and 9 metallic, and 11 metallic shades for the X330 xDrive, including a new color called Dune Gray Metallic. Customers will also have over 15 BMW individual paint finishes available. The entry-level 2025 X330 xDrive starts at $50,675, including a $1,175 destination charge. BMW prices the sportier X3 M50 xDrive starting at $65,275. That is $780 and $2,380 more than their outgoing 2024 model year counterparts, respectively. BMW will build the 2025 X3 at its Spartanburg, South Carolina factory. It will go on sale in America in the fourth quarter of 2024.